Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to use Pictory AI to create faceless videos so you do not need to enter the show. So first of all, what we are going to be doing over here is you simply need to decide whether you want to generate a text to video, URL to video, or AI video editor. These are some of the other features. So we're going to be using text to video for this. Let's just say you want to add in here the idea of your video, so you can simply paste in here your idea. Let's just say you want to generate something for maybe your cafe, so let's just type in here cafe video, which I needed. So it's gonna be faces since you do not need to add your own face. Also, what you can do is simply head over to the link in the description below to get 40% off onto their plans, and that will be unlocking even more features. Then finally you need to click on generate video, and you will have something like I have already generated over here, so let me show you how it looks. So you can see we have our video ready, so you can generate something similar. So basically the video is generated. You can modify it according to your own needs as well, and I hope this helps. And this is how you can basically use Pictory AI to create faceless videos depending on the niche that you're working. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video.